See my stupid bird? They're like a rooster. See? That's my grizzle, son of my grizzle. Either. That grizzle are very young. He's brave. He's a instinct of territorial. Oh, I don't want them to escape. See? Go. See? They're like a rooster. See? Who's gonna be surrender? There you go. I'm trying to preserve a grizzle. I want more grizzle. That's my favorite color also. Grizzle and silver and bright check. Fighting. Crazy. There you go. He quit. Where are you? Hold on. Okay. He quit right there. See, his father is here. Right there, the father. What's up? I think got a one baby. That's my pure Ganus. What's up? And there's my Oreo right there. Okay guys, that's all for today.